Here's how to share Shopify store link. Kindly start from your Shopify admin dashboard with your account already open and ready. From this main admin view, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This opens the area where Shopify keeps account and store configuration options, including the domain details connected to your storefront. Inside Settings, select Domains. Once the Domains page opens, look through the domains currently connected to your Shopify store. You may see a Shopify provided domain, a custom domain, or more than one option if your store uses multiple connected addresses. At this stage, the goal is to identify the domain you want customers to visit. Find a verified custom domain, or choose the public domain you want to use when sharing your store. If several domains are listed, pause for a moment and confirm that you are looking at the correct storefront domain before you copy anything. This matters because some stores have multiple domains for different uses, and you want to share the one intended for public visitors. After you have located the correct store URL, copy it. You can right-click the URL and choose Copy, or use your device's normal copy command. Either method works as long as the full web address is copied. Make sure you do not copy only part of the link, especially if the domain includes additional text or formatting on the page. Next, open the place where you want to share your Shopify store link. This could be an email, a direct message, a social media post, or another text field where the store address needs to appear. Click into that text area so the cursor is active and ready for input. Now paste the Shopify link into the message or post. You can right-click and select Paste, or use your device's standard paste command. Once the link appears, check it carefully to confirm that the complete store URL was inserted correctly. A quick review here helps avoid sending an incomplete or incorrect link, especially if you copied from a page with multiple domain entries. If the pasted address looks correct, go ahead and send the email or message, or publish the post where the link appears. That completes the sharing part, and your store URL is now available for customers or anyone else you want to direct to the storefront. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify store link is now copied, pasted, and shared using the correct storefront domain.